Hello dear students, how are you all today? Hope you all are good. Okay, so let's start today's GK class. Today we will do exercise 16th of your book and page number 22. This exercise is about Rio Olympics 2016. So the 2016 Summer Olympics is known as the Rio Olympics 2016, and it was an international multi-sport event that was held from 5th to 21st of August in 2016, and it was held in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Okay, so in this big event, in this grand event, total 207 nations has taken part, and there were 316 events in 28 sports. Okay, and more than 11,000 athletes has taken part from in this Olympics. Okay, so in this event, US has topped in the medal table, as the US has won 26 gold medals, and overall they won 121 medals overall. So the top ranked country was US, and unfortunately India didn't do good in this Olympics, and it got 67th rank, and there were only 2 medals, 1 silver and 1 bronze medal was there. So it's okay, but overall it was a very grand event. And here we have some questions related to that event. So the first question is, which player won the tennis gold in men's single event? So at the last of the page you have some hints also, so you can take help of the hints for finding the answers of these questions. So the player name is Andy Murray. He has won the tennis gold in men's single event. Next question is, in which sport did PV Sindhu win a silver medal for India? So as I was saying, India has won 2 medals. So first was 1 silver and 1 bronze medal was there. So from India, PV Sindhu, she has won silver for India, and the sport was badminton. Okay. Third question is, which woman swimmer of USA won the number of gold medals in the women's event at Rio Olympics? So this question and rest all the questions you will try to attempt yourself. Okay, you will try to attempt, I'm saying. Okay, it's not compulsory. If it's not possible to search, so that is okay. I will share the answers soon, but first you will try. Okay, so now let's come to the next page, page number 17. It's also about a very grand event, the Football World Cup. It is called the FIFA World Cup. Okay, so this exercise is about FIFA World Cup 2018. Was the first World Cup tournament ever hosted by Russia. So Russia is the country who has hosted the FIFA World Cup 2018, and the this World Cup has been played 21 times till date. So means it was the 21st World Cup, and Brazil holds the most titles with 5 World Cup wins. So Brazil means the most number of times, means the 5 World Cup wins by the Brazil, and Italy and Germany are close behind, 4 World Cups each. Means so the country which has won the most World Cups in FIFA, so it's Brazil. Okay, so let's talk more about the FIFA World Cup. So this World Cup, it was an international event for football tournament, and it took place between 14th of June till to 15th of July, and as I says earlier that it was held in Russia, and it was the 21st FIFA World Cup. Okay, and the FIFA World Cup is held once every 4 years. Okay, the winner of this World Cup was France, and the runner-up, means the second position, was Croatia was the country who was the runner-up, and the third place goes to Belgium, and England was fourth in this fight. Okay, so now let's discuss about these questions. So the first question is, which country was defeated by France to win the World Cup? So means the question is saying that France was the winner, so which was the runner-up country? Croatia was the runner-up country. Okay, second question is, which country qualified to play in the World Cup football tournament for the very first time? Means which country has played this World Cup first time? Iceland, Morocco, England and Russia. So Iceland is the country which has played this World Cup very first, the FIFA World Cup first time. Third question is, which country did the famous football player Lionel Messi represent at the World Cup 2018? So the player belongs to Argentina. Okay. Fourth question is, name the country that has won the Football World Cup 4 times in the past but couldn't qualify this time to play the tournament. So before starting this exercise, I explained you that Brazil is first in the list of winning World Cup, and Germany and Italy, they both have won the World Cup 4 times. So in this list we don't have we have Italy and Germany both, but in this 21st football cup, Germany didn't qualify to play the tournament. So the correct answer is Germany here. Okay, remaining 3 questions you will try to attempt yourself. Okay, so that's all for today. Complete the remaining part of exercise and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.